Jai Srimanarayana. 15th sloka of 5th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Na datte kasyachit papam na chaiva sukrutam vibhuhu ajnanena avrutam jnanam tena muhyanti jantavaha. Om. Your spiritual knowledge and intelligence is undeveloped by ignorance. That ignorance comes from reactions of your past actions. Consequently, you are deluded. So from now onwards, keep involving yourself in good activities. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja." Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall try to involve in good activities. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana." Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatamo 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Rebhi's son is Dushyanta. Dushyanta, one of those days, Mrugayam Yataha Kanvashrama Padam Gataha. While hunting in the forest, he reached Kanva Ashramam. There he has seen such a beautiful girl. Then immediately he went to that girl and asking, Ka tvam kamala patrakshi kasyasi hridayangame. Who are you? Whose daughter you are? Why are you here in this forest? What are you doing in this forest? And I feel that you are definitely belong to Kshatriya Vamsam. I belong to Puru Vamsam. No way my mind is attracted by any other Kanya other than Kshatriya Kanya? Please tell me. Like that, when Dushyanta asked that girl who is Shakuntala, saying like this, "Oh dear soldier, I am the daughter of Viswamitra, my mother is Menaka, my mother left me here, then Kanva Muni came to know everything and now I am with Kanva Muni. Please tell me what can I do for you?" Like that, Shakuntala asking Dushyanta. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 5th chapter, 15th sloka. Nadatte kasyachit papam na chaiva sukrutam vibhuhu ajnanena vrutam jnanam tena mukhyanti jantavaha. Nadatte kasyachit papam na chaiva sukrutam vibhuhu ajnanena vrutam jnanam tena mukhyanti jantavaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.